Hey, did you know that if you're using Blackmagic Camera App on your phone, you can use other devices to monitor and control your main camera? Here are the 3 simple steps to set it all up and avoid common mistakes. Hey, my name is Z and I'm just trying to figure out things as I go. If you're watching this video, you probably already tried to record a video on a Blackmagic Studio Camera app with back lenses only because you want the highest quality possible, right? But because of that, you lack the monitoring, the settings, because you really can't see your screen. So imagine you're flying like a plane and you want to land, but the weather is really foggy. It's doable, but it's super hard. You can use 3 simple steps to monitor and control your camera and nail your shot each and every time. First step is to check if all of your devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi, if all apps are updated, and all VPNs are turned off. So now we are in a Blackmagic camera on your phone. Just go to settings, find remote camera control, turn it on. Use this phone as remote camera. That's the camera you're gonna use, and controller is for other devices that you wanna monitor and control your main camera. Give it some name and give it a remote password, and here you can choose if you want to control and monitor camera or if you want to monitor only. If you monitor only, you only have a video feed, and if you have control and monitor, you can change the settings on the fly from the controlling device as well. And that's about it for the Blackmagic camera on a phone. Let me just jump real quick to the other app to show you how you can set up things there. So here we are in a Blackmagic Cam app on my Mac. You can use this same app on other iPhone or iPad as you wish. I'm just having Mac at my side, so I wanna use that for viewing. Similar to the phone, you just go to remote camera control and make sure you enable that. Use this iPad as controller because your phone is going to be a remote camera, and you can't really set up your password and anything. And once you're ready, you just go to the camera on 3 little dots at the side, click on a remote and enable your phone as a camera. And what you will see is actually what your camera sees right now. And you have a lot of controls here. You can change ISO, white balance, shutter speed, start and stop recording, monitor audio, and pretty much everything you have on the phone will have here as well. So it's a really nice way to monitor everything. Now we clear the fog and we are ready for takeoff. Let me know down in the comments if this setup worked for you or not. If you have any problems, just let me know down in the comments. I'll try to help you out. If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing and liking, and I'll see you in the next one. It's all still in progress, so let's see what happens next.